Hi everyone! Today I want to share an easy recipe with you. Fluffy and creamy egg rice bowl, made in just one frying pan. You need to have 2 cups of leftover rice, 2 eggs and garlic. Love the video, hit subscribe button. Your support means a lot to us. First, mince your garlic with sharp knife. This simple one-pan rice bowl is fluffy, creamy, comforting, and incredibly satisfying with minimal ingredients and effort. Chop the green onions, separate them into part. Crack the eggs into a bowl and lightly beat them. Add a pinch of black pepper and salt for flavor. Heat the cooking oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the minced garlic, white onion and saute for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the leftover rice and stir fry for 2–3 minutes, breaking up any remaining clumps. Season lightly with soy sauce and black pepper. Pour the beaten eggs evenly over the pan. Gently stir and fold while the eggs cook, creating a fluffy and creamy texture. Continue cooking for 1–2 minutes until the eggs are just set but still soft. Sprinkle the chopped green onions over the top. Remove from heat and serve immediately while warm and creamy. Your comforting one-pan rice bowl is ready in just 10 minutes. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in next recipes.